Welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode is going to be the installation of the EGR-Side window deflectors. I will be installing them on my 2019 All-Star Silverado. This is what they look like. The purpose of these wind deflectors is to deflect the wind and cut down on some of the wind noise that you get inside the vehicle. The main reason why I'm buying them is because during the rain, I like to have the windows down like an inch. And of course on these vehicles, if it rains, it's just going to come right inside. These deflectors actually go inside the channel. They're not the stick-on ones that go on the outside. So what you can do is you can keep the windows down an inch or two and you'll always have air coming inside. And as for the rain, shouldn't get any rain in there. I had them on my 2006 Chevy Silverado that I bought in 2012. I loved them, so now that I got a 2019, I have to put them on here. First thing you got to do, take it out of the package and roll the window down. First thing you do, slip it in the front side of the track. You're going to be leaving this part on top. Push it all the way in. Okay, what you're going to do, you're going to put it like right there, push it all the way in, bow it out. That's it. Now for the rear side deflectors, a lot smaller, should be a lot easier. There is some tape that you have to peel off from the back of here. And it works the same way as the front windows, just slides up inside the channel. So let's get to it. Okay, that was too easy. Now for the other side. Okay, so now for the clearance test on the front passenger window. Perfect. Now I'll show the rear window. Alright, so now for the rear window. Perfect. Now for the outside window test. Well, the outside window view. So here we go. Perfect. Now, like I said earlier on in the video, these are great because you can have the windows down an inch or two all year long. In the summertime, it'll allow the hot air to escape. In the wintertime, you can have them your windows down like an inch and rain's not going to come inside. So you always have a little bit of fresh air coming in from outside. And it will cut down on some of the air noise. Not much, but you might notice a small difference. And yeah, perfect. Well, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the installation of the EGR front and rear side window deflectors. If you like this video, hit like, hit the subscribe button, and you'll get notifications as new videos come out. Once again, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I think they look bitchin'. That's it. Bye.